Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where I will show you how to replace a doorknob. So I have this normal doorknob and I'm going to replace it with an interior locking doorknob, and you can see it's the same color as satin nickel. So for this entire process all you're going to need is an extra Phillips screwdriver, and that's all the extra tool that you need. So the first step here is to open the old doorknob. So this is the inside of the door and you will find two screws here. So that's the first thing you are going to open here. And once this is open, you have to pull the exterior knob out. Now the next step is you have to open this latch bolt, and you can see the screw here. I have to push this from the inside. And this comes out. Now I am going to open this new doorknob and see what's inside. So in the new packet we have these two doorknobs. This is from the outside and this is from the inside, and we have this latch and a few other accessories. This is the key and there are some screws there. So now we will put this back, this new one, fix this up on the door. And remember, the first thing you have to see is you have this latch, right? And in this latch, this side needs to be towards the exterior, that is towards that side. And you have these two metals, and you can see this is a square cornered and this is round corner, and you can put that depending on how your door is carved out. And this is a round cornered one, so I will put this one and we'll discard this one. So we'll put this inside, and remember I'm putting this towards the external one. Okay, and then I will tighten the screws here. Now we will take these two doorknobs, and this you can see should be towards the exterior, and this, the latched one, the interior locking one, should be towards the interior, and we should put it together from both sides. Now you can see here, when I am putting this exterior knob inside, I am putting so that this one goes through the center corner and these two should go through these holes, which will house the screws that will tighten the interior knob with this knob. So you have to adjust and push it through, right? Put this internal one, and you can slowly adjust this and push it inside. Yeah, now both are there. So here, this is the internal knob, and once this is fit here, you can see you can move this irrespective of this one being placed like this. So you have to align this two holes here. They have to align with the screw housing that's coming from the exterior knob, and then you have to put the screw through this hole and tighten this. So one tip here while tightening the screws, the first thing is setting up the screw. So when you set up the screw, you don't have to push this totally inside. When you set this up, you can see that these screws are connecting to the screw houses here, and you will find it difficult for a screwdriver to get in and tighten it because this ball will come on the way of the screws. So you can use other tools, but for this kind of simple thing, what you can do is you need not push this knob entirely in and have enough space between this ball and the screwdriver for your hand, for your fingers itself, to tighten it, and tighten it one by one. And once the screws are completely inside, you can just use the screwdriver to tighten it completely. So after tightening the screws, now this is ready. So in this mode, you can open the door, but when you make this, you cannot open the door. But from the exterior, if you cannot open the door, you have this key. You can do, and then you can open the door. Thanks for watching the video.